one down, girl, the chips are laid. A sewer thief who is never afraid. A cry so loud in the salty air, the sewer gold is everywhere. Slick and dark with a neck like a snake, he dives in the shallows a meal to take. Drying his wings in the spray and sun, the little black cormorant's work is done. The shadow falls from the python height, a hunter armed with a piercing sight. A hunter armed with a piercing sight. He plunges down from above the sand, the osprey brings the fish to land. Heave the waves of the golden beach where the Indian Ocean's currents reach. At Kwinana Beach, the wind blows free with the feathered kings of the salty sea. Hey-ho! Oh, with a bill as big as a sailor's boot, he glides along on a steady route. He glides along on a steady route. The pelican captain of the bay drifts the afternoon away. Ba-da-dum, ba-da-da-da-dum, ba-da-dum, ba-da-dum, ba-da-da-da-dum-dum. In the salty air, with talons strong and a piercing stare, a white-bellied seagull rules the sky, watching the blue-green waves go by. Ba-da-dum, ba-da-da-da-dum-dum, ba-da-dum, ba-da-dum, ba-da-da-da-dum-dum. Tuxedo bird with a bright red beak, he finds the hidden shells he seeks. He finds the hidden shells he seeks. Pied oyster catcher on the golden sand, dressed to the nines and he looks so brown. Ba-da-dum, ba-da-da-da-dum-dum, ba-da-dum, ba-da-dum, ba-da-da-da-dum-dum. A spiky crown and a yellow bill, he dines with a dot and a seafaring frill. He dines with a dot and a seafaring frill. The great crested tern is a bolt from the blue to the wild.